Good morning, students. From Standard 7 English Medium. Unit means the chapter 2nd. Chapter 2nd. What is the chapter name? Articles. What is the chapter name? Articles. So, today I am going to tell you about the articles. How many articles are there and where we used. When and where we use. So, you can easily understand it about the articles. Now you see, the line is given. As you know, the word a and an and the are articles. What? A, an and the. These are the articles. What? A, an and the. These are the articles. A and an, it is a different article and the is different article. A and an is indefinite articles. What? Indefinite articles. And the is definite articles. The is. But today I am going to tell you about the indefinite articles, where we put indefinite articles, and about these indefinite articles. See, articles are determiners and point out the nouns. What? Articles are determiners and point out who? Point out the nouns. They are always placed before nouns, where these articles we put before the noun. There are two types of articles. How many types of articles? There are two types of articles. The first way is the indefinite articles, which are included in given this an, and the second one is definite articles. So, in the definite articles we use the. So, I am going to talk about today indefinite articles. Okay. So, here let us see what here is given. A and an are indefinite articles in English. They are used before common singular countable nouns. Okay. Indefinite articles where we use in common and singular, showing a person, one person, where we count it. Okay. Let's see the example here given. Which example? See, boy is a common name. Before that, here article is used. Which article? A. Girl, fan, anchor, island. Here countable thing. We count a girl, a fan, an anchor, and island. So here where we put a and where we put an. So here is given the description where we put a and an. Let's see. A is used before noun. Where we use a is a and n. Both we use. A is used before noun that begins with consonant sound. Which consonant sound? So you first remember the vowel sound. Which are the vowel? A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. If the sound starting with this vowel, what we put? We put N. But if the word is given of this starting with this vowel, but the sound creates a consonant, so what we put? A. Let's see the description here. A is used before noun that begins with a consonant sound. Begin with the consonant sound, not the sound created by these vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay. N is used before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. Where begin with vowel sound. Now you know what are the vowels and which are the vowels. This A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. The sound created by these vowels, we put what? We put N before this. Okay, let's see. Some words are pronouns. Some words are pronouns with a consonant sound. Which? A consonant sound. But what happens? See, despite beginning with vowels such as U, O, E, if the word given this starting with university, okay, this word start with U, but not the sound created by the vowel sound. What? The vowel sound. It's university, not a sound, okay, or not a sound. That is why university is not u is given, vowel is given, but not we pronounce that a vowel sound. So here in university, one European. In such cases we use the article a. What we use? A university, because u sound here create. European starting with vowel, but we can't. European, okay, starting with here given e vowel, but we don't pronounce this as e. European, so starting with consonant sound, so we put here a European person. Okay, now see the next. There are words that begin with a consonant, starting with a consonant, but what happened? But the consonant sound is silent, but the first letter of the word consonant is silent, and starting as what? See here, there are some words given here, honest. We don't start with this pronunciation honest. Is honest, the o, honest vowel sound, so h is here given silent. Honor, what? Honor, our. In such cases we use the article an. Why? Because here the word is start with what? Started with consonant, but when we pronounce it started, when we pronounce the word start with the vowel. Okay, and there are some abbreviations such like, see, there are words that begin with consonant but are pronounced with a vowel sound. Such are a abbreviation. What? Abbreviation, short form, abbreviation, short form, MA. Here MA. How we write? The first word M, vowel sound, M. Okay, O sound is created. A sound is created. M. Then L, P, G. L, O. First O sound, A sound is created. So what we put here? N. MLA, MSC, MA here given. Then such words are also take the articles and. Okay, so this is the information of the indefinite articles. Now here are the exercise for you, how to fill with the help of this indefinite article. Let's see. Fill in the blanks with indefinite articles. Put cross where no article is required. Now put only the indefinite articles. Don't put these definite articles. Indefinite articles we use here. So let's see. Before a noun we put indefinite articles. Keep in your mind. Here book given, eraser, file and shop. These things are countable things. Book we count, erase we count, file we count and shop we count. Okay, so here book. Before the book there is not given A-E-I-O-U, these 5 letters, not starting with this vowel. If the starting with the consonant, what we write? A. I bought a book, a eraser, sorry, here starting with this eraser, eraser. So the here vowel, this word start with the vowel E and the pronounce with E, vowel sound. So what we here write? N. So in this blank, in the first blank A, in the second blank N we write. What? An eraser. And a file, F starting with F, not starting with the vowel. Then a shop, then we write A. So I bought a book, an eraser. I bought a book, an eraser and a file from a shop. That is the answer. Now see the second page. In the second page there are 9 sentences are given. Let's see the answer of these sentences. So here what is the name given? Kalijai. Kalijai is a blank small island. It talk about island. Here given the small and as given adjective. Talking about the island. There are so many islands we counted. So starting with S. So here write A. Okay, Kalijai is a small island in Lake Chilka. In a lake not Chilka and not here. Do not put anything. Not indefinite articles. Okay. Now comes to the third. Meena caught blank bad cold last night. Meena caught what? Cold. If here not given the adjective. Bad cold. Meena caught bad cold last night. So what we put here? Cross. Meena caught cold last night. Now number 4. It is blank pity that this year Runa failed to get blank prize in elocution. So it is blank pity. So here pity is the word given. We do not write indefinite article here. It is pity that this year, talking about this year, Runa failed to get a single prize. What a single prize means? One prize. He failed to get. So write article A. Number 5. Please obtain. Please obtain. Here talking about residential certificate. A residential certificate. Certificate what? Residential. So here write A. What we write here? A. Please obtain a residential certificate from here counselor, from counselor or blank MLA. So here write a counselor. There are so many counselors we counted, but here put A. Why? Because starting with C, consonant, or here C, MLA. So MLA, M starting with the vowel sound. So here write N, MLA or N, MP. So both in these two blanks and write. Okay. So number 6. In number 6, my uncle who teaches in article A, right? Why? University. There are so many university. We counted the university. Okay, here not given the specific university. That is why we write A. Otherwise, if given as the Sardar Patel University, so we say the Sardar Patel University. But we talk about only the indefinite article. So here write A university. My uncle who teaches in a university is, here see HONEST. Here H is silent. So what we pronounce the word honest, the vowel sound. So we write N here, honest. Okay. Now comes to number 7. In the 7, blank means dash school rules must be followed. School rules. Talking about a school rules, no, and school rules, no. So here do not write anything. Cross out. School rules must be followed. Not talk about the school. Here rules, plural words, does not have articles. We do not write the articles before the plural. Okay. So comes to the number 8. Blank exams. Talking about the exams and articles. Where we put the articles before the noun, countable noun, not plural noun. So exams. So we do not put anything here. Cross out. Blank exams are going to begin means starting. Going to begin means starting. Blank week after the school reopen. So what we write here? A week after. Okay. A good dictionary is Good dictionary. A good dictionary is blank must have for blank every students. A good dictionary is must have for every students. Here talk about every student. So we do not write anything here. Okay, not write n. It's wrong. A good dictionary is must have. So we do not write anything. So these are the answers of these indefinite articles. I hope you understand it. Thank you for listening me.